Hi everyone, a warm welcome to all. Today it's about Mercury's transit to curious, critic, and passionate sign of Scorpio, the messenger and the communicator of the zodiac. Mercury is getting into deep and dark sign of Scorpio and will give some sharp communication, cutting straight to the point with utmost truth, even if that hurts the other person. As Mercury is making some powerful conjunction with Ketu and Sun, this can be the right time to talk about any complex issues regarding your health, relationship, money, and mortality, transforming them for better results. Expect some intense thoughts and interactions with this transit and nothing on surface. The talks will be more strategic and well planned after proper research. So any debate can be very strong from both the parties when no one has trust on each other. But whatever decisions are made with this transit is based on strong emotions and will be very firm and final, as Mercury will be in fixed water and even sign of Scorpio, along with strong Ketu. Mercury may not be with his natural playfulness. Scorpio Mercury will not be as witty as always, but can be very sarcastic or critic in any communication. Also, will prefer communicating only when it is necessary, and that too, it will be very mysterious and secretive talks. You may not feel very happy with any facts or information that you may receive with this transit. It is the natural eighth house of the zodiac, but it has some purpose to have you this change for your own good, to make us aware about our fears, our desires, and how we can achieve them, and also to bring awareness on what needs change to help you reach your goals, your answers. Your intuition will work at its best to provide you some exceptional insight on your problems. Your observations and perceptions to the situation in front of you will be like spot on to help you make the right decision. Do not discard any intuition, as this Scorpio Mercury will encourage to dig deep any information and take out some treasure, some truth out of it. Let us see the path of Mercury in Scorpio. It's just 20 days transit, but it's a significant one, as the decisions taken here will have long term impact. Mercury will be in Vishakha Nakshatra till 23rd of November, and Jupiter is fourth to this Mercury to bring some turnings on your normal path, followed by some endings and have a fresh start. Then in Anuradha Nakshatra till 1st of December. Anuradha is Saturn's star, and Saturn is dignified, placed third from this Mercury. Both are friends and will help each other in achieving goals. But Mercury will be close to Ketu, which can bring obstacles and some sharp endings. And lastly, Mercury will be in its own nakshatra Jyeshta till 10th of December. After whatever changes came from Anuradha transit, this Jyeshta transit will bring some happiness, some relief, show you some success, but this is just before the Gandanta. So keep in mind that the success can be short lived here. Mercury will conjunct Ketu on 25th of November. So be watchful on your conversations, relations, and emotions, as there are chances of you getting hurt or you hurting someone. Mercury will be combust and conjunct Sun to a degree on 28th of November. Mercury won't be carefree as always, but as he progresses forward and getting into his own nakshatra Jyeshta, this may bring some easiness. Also, Mars, the lord of Scorpio, will be 12th to this Mercury till 5th of December, almost entire transit, so cannot expect major results. We also have solar eclipse on 4th of December At 18 degrees of Scorpio in Jyeshta Nakshatra, Mercury's nakshatra, and Mercury will cross Scorpio Gandanta by 10th 11th of December. All these indicates this ride of Mercury in Scorpio will open some hidden hard facts which we generally avoid to deal with or want to keep it private. But with this transit, the matter will come out in open and will give necessary changes which you are fearful for. Our thoughts mixed with our feelings will push us to ask some tough questions to our own self or also to others to get to the bottom of what is happening and direct the lens of observation inward to change what is not working for you. As Scorpio energy is ultimately about transformation, how we can adjust or facilitate a new phase of growth and provide a platform for our own personal growth, our evolution. Emotionally, all these will be very hard as we try to resolve any problem. As Scorpio is the eighth sign of the natural zodiac. But after crossing Gandanta, it will give you a fresh forward move. Check the placement of Scorpio sign and the house placement of this sign. Something related to this house significance need your attention, your proper handling, followed by required modifications for the right reasons. It's high time to have open and heart to heart communication to deal with this transit. The easier you will be to make that difficult conversation or alterations, the better it would be for you. I'll be giving you few keywords for each ascendant about how and what you need to talk to resolve any complex matter related to your fearful emotions, your relations, or money, or whatever is bothering you the most at present. Just don't forget to talk with emotional enthusiasm and clarity. Do your research and then only talk. Start with Aries. Aries needs to talk intensely and with deep thought, which is not their nature. And it's about any sudden changes within the family, about finances, health, some inheritance or tax matter. Taurus needs to talk with their natural charm, about their fears in relation. Be very friendly and confident in their talk and avoid any ego clash. Gemini should converse in a very organized way about their health issues, regularizing their daily routine, sticking to it, most importantly, and avoid any fights and debates. Cancer needs to express their talents in a very artistic manner and come out from their comfort zone. Leo should discuss emotionally and not in a ruling way. Any issues faced by their family members, in their career, or matter related to property, vehicle, which may need change also. Virgo needs to have light-hearted communication with their siblings, their father figure, bosses, about any changes that is needed in their writing or in their communication style, the way they handle any documentation. Libra needs to talk with softness about their eating habits, their controlling five senses, their family, finances. Scorpio needs to talk directly with active participation. This will be very transformative for you. And the changes that you will make now will impact your personality, your health, and your success in future. Sagittarius needs to talk with passion on their findings, their research on any matter, anything related to health, their diet, any investment or expenditure. Capricorn needs to talk uniquely with and about their network, their friend circle, and their success. Aquarius should talk practically about their work, their achievements to have a change in their public image. Pisces requires to advise softly, share their learnings with others, and also change their opinion wherever it is needed for their growth. That's all for all 12 ascendants. To summarize, Scorpio Mercury with Sun and Ketu will force you to talk about your deepest fears, will impact your relations and emotions the most. You won't be able to avoid this, or otherwise, it will come out in a very ugly manner. With any Scorpio transit, it becomes a matter of survival. There is an extremity. Scorpio sign is a sign of death and rebirth. And on the positive side, anything related to Scorpio doesn't die easily because of its fixed nature. So choose to communicate in a most appropriate manner with calm mind and be prepared. Or this transit can activate the jealous and the possessive side of our human nature. Mercury in Scorpio operates from the place of some fixed emotions, fear, and doubt. Just keep in mind that you need to have a light hearted approach. Need not overthink or overreact. Take any decision without any excitement, and the rest will follow. Have a fearless and relieving time ahead. I hope this was helpful. Do write in your comments and queries. Thank you for your time and do check out this channel for more such updates. Thank you. Bye for now.